Loving, loving, loving this weather. It's beautiful. I love a good storm. Samson, Jude, come here. Come here. Do you love a good storm? Stay away from them walnuts. They're not good for you. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. Some little chickens. Hey babies, did you eat all your breakfast? Ooh, you about got your corn on the cob done. Yeah, I got more. I got more. I got more, girls. Where's the other one? I'm gonna see if there's any eggs. It's gonna be a big fat no. Little freeloaders. Little freeloaders. Alright. See what Dingod's doing over here. What are you doing, boys? You better get out of there. Daddy's gonna get ya. Look at my celery. Oh, it's so beautiful. Come on, boys. Let's go. Samson, can you tell everybody bye? Tell everybody bye. Hey, girls, you like this cooler weather? Huh? Daddy's got you all tucked in, doesn't he? Huh? Daddy worries about his girls. Yes, he does. Daddy worries about his girls. Yeah. Yeah. All right, everybody. Have a blessed Saturday.